up, guys? Arrow back with another video, and today we're watching fireworks. Boom! That one looks like
if you listen, you can hear the music.
Oh, damn! Oh! I'm in Arizona, not Nevada. Boom! And another boom! And another boom, 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 boom. Oh my god, this is heaven, bro. None of them are close to us. They're just really big. That's actually crazy. Oh, I like that blue one. Ooh, that was look like stars. No, I'm making a video for YouTube. I'm making a video on YouTube. My screen is turning into pink. My screen was turning pink. Yeah, it's just because they're big, so it makes it look like it's closer. When they shoot, why is there like a I like that sound that can do it. Woo! You hear that sound? I don't. I'm like, woo! I'm gonna zoom in my camera. It's falling. I'm zooming in my camera. I can see all the details. He's like, look at that smoke. It makes like a big old shape. It kind of looks like words. I'm not. No, that was just the dark. Oh, dang, that one was bright. That was the biggest one. Oh, that one is the biggest. Oh my God. I'm laying down and doing this. Hey, Ariel, could you move your legs? I can't. Whoa, that's actually crazy, not gonna lie. Ooh! Ooh! Oh my god, that's scary. Boom! 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 Ooh! Push! Yosh! Josh! Bag! Bag! Choo choo! Train! Come!
Shut up.
Back!
Shut up, I can't hear them.
Another. Bag! You don't need to hear the music, Mom. She wants to. She does
It
it.
looks like that. It looks like stars.
Oh, I like that blue one. like dead trees. That's what she meant.
And they're going to heaven.
Dead trees don't go to heaven. They just lose their leaves. That's what the smoke looks like right now. That's actually beautiful. Oh, that's crazy. That one is crazy.
Oh my god! I love that one.
Oh! Oh! Oh!
Another big
Oh!
Those look like chandeliers. Fancy lights.
Yeah, they're
The
fancy
They
lights.
look like pom-poms.
Oh!
Big pom-poms.
Oh! Oh!
That looks like
That looks like. Oh!
that looks pretty. Even the blue one, the red one.
Ooh.
That looks they're oval. Like they're looking oval.
Oh! Oh!
Oh my
Oh!
god, that's too close.
Fireworks are shooting fireworks right now. It just looks very close to my camera.
Yeah, there's
Just red and blue, dear. Where's white? There's no white.
Yeah, there is, Mom.
Where?
Where?
You
Now
just-
there is.
That's yellow.
There been white
That's
ones.
white.
There been white ones,
She's
Mom.
talking about right there.
Please don't make
Ooh, that's crazy.
They kind of look like
Ooh.
big bright stars.
That's what fireworks are, just stars, basically. They're basically actually fire.
Oh, fireworks.
Yeah, they're
They are
fire.
fire.
And then they work.
Oh my god.
And they work. So
What
fireworks.
if the firework touch your house?
It could start on fire.
Because they're called fireworks. Fire, fire.
Is there recording for that one?
Yeah, I could do it for an hour if I wanted to. And I could do it for a whole day if I wanted to. If my phone didn't die. Then I can't, and then the video will stop.